Hello there. Are you looking to create a blurred background for your YouTube videos? Look no further. Here is a simple step-by-step tutorial for achieving this effect. Head over to the Chrome store and search for the AI Webcam Effects extension. Once you find the extension, add it to your Chrome or Chromium-based browser such as Edge. Once the extension is downloaded and installed, navigate to your YouTube Studio page. Now you can go live with your webcam and start using the AI Webcam Effects extension. Before going live, but once your webcam already started, use the browser's extensions panel to open the AI Webcam Effects extension and activate it. To blur the background, select the None option for the background and turn on the Blur feature. This way you can enjoy a blurred background in your videos. Additionally, this extension offers other visual effects that you can easily use to enhance your videos.